What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Right next to me is a brand new beautiful ZL1 1LE track package sitting really nice and aggressive. Why is it so sitting nice and aggressive? Well, we added about 3 modifications to this car that we made it look more appealing to the eye. What are those mods? Let's go over these highlights and show you what we got going on. What is an extension splitter and what is the functionality of that product? An extension splitter with rods, this product is one of my favorite when it comes to giving the car an aggressive look and a lower appearance. It's also meant for racing and aerodynamic purposes to make sure your turn curves are a lot better with the power that's pushing with the track package magnetic ride that this vehicle is equipped with. Obviously, it's fully carbon fiber with an edged out molding trim of carbon fiber. 2 good quality rods that's going to handle the pressure and the speed and the turn curves with the power that the vehicle is pushing, and as well it gives it more protection to not damage your factory lid and more risk to get the extension splitter damage rather than the factory. So you're going to get the looks, the appearance, the stance, and the aggressiveness with this awesome performance splitter. Let's go over the back, guys. One of my favorite parts that we added is our newest 19 to 23 present first ever aftermarket taillights now available. This beautiful ZL1 1LE was equipped with the UMBRA finish. As you can see, one of my favorite things about these taillights, not that the smoky lens matches the OEM factory third brake light, but the fact that the 19 and up bumpers, they have this little middle hump right in the middle, which creates a 3D kind of real figuration of the taillights where it's like floating off the bumper, especially at nighttime when they're on. It gives the car a really aggressive appearance in the back. As you can see, smoked, which is the UMBRA version. We got the reverse LED lights from one lens to the other, and overall a gloss black housing to blend in with this amazing ZL1. All right, guys, you can't beat this. My favorite go-to, why I love these taillights, not just the aggressiveness, but the amber turn signals on both passenger and driver side, giving the car a really nice, slick, mean look. This is a full-on murdered out car, and just by adding the amber turn signals with the UMBRA signature, it definitely hits the spot. And then going over the last modifications, you got to see the beautiful carbon fiber quad tip diffuser all around from the end to the other side of the bumper, giving the car a much aggressive appearance. With that being said, it's equipped with a one-piece mold, and the fins are already integrated into the spoiler, giving the car a really aggressive look. This fits the Barla quad tips, as you can see, which he has the carbon fiber tips, and overall the carbon fiber diffuser, the UMBRA signature taillights with the third brake light being smoky is a great combination to keep this car a Batmobile mean aggressive look that our clients theme and goal to accomplish with us on here. Let's not forget, guys, my favorite modification when you first purchase a car or you want something a lot better quality, the ceramic 5% all around murdered out with a 50% tint shade, giving the car just a much more aggressive look. Just looking at this car all around as I walk around it, I mean, I can just only see the silver highlights of the Recaro seats and the ZL1 batches and just the front dash. Other than that, this car is murdered out just like our client wanted to accomplish. We're super excited to give him this look. There's more into it that he's gonna be adding with us, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. Make sure you turn that bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted of all the new modifications that we're gonna be offering from the Gen 5 to the Gen 6 community. Can't wait to show you guys what we got next. I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, you guys like what we did to this beautiful Track Pack 1LE 2022. If you guys are interested in doing any modifications or a big project and you're not in California and you wish to ship your car all the way from out of state to us, we do offer a full A to Z services for you guys. Make sure you hit us on our email, sales@autoaddictusa, to get you guys all equipped with the information that you guys need to know. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.